AI just taught itself to hack Linux. Apple's foldable iPhone is delayed, and NASA dropped the ultimate OLED wallpaper. Here is your tech recap. Let's
Trained
go.
it specifically to be good at coding. Something that they found out after they trained it was not only was it good at coding, but a side effect of being good at coding was that it was extremely good at cybersecurity and finding bugs and things like that. They, were messing around with it. They were like trying to do some cybersec stuff with it. They found thousands of high-severity security vulnerabilities, including some in every major operating system and web browser. And it can chain together various different security vulnerabilities to come up with more powerful outcomes. So for an example, in Linux, they found various different vulnerabilities that allowed you to have admin access to any Linux computer by chaining together a bunch of these different bugs that is able to run JavaScript and figure out a way to break out of the sandbox by running specific JavaScript things, which no one's supposed to be able to do. Because this model they found to be so powerful, they formed this alliance called Project Glasswing. It's because they have found major security vulnerabilities in every major OS and most of the platforms and apps in the world.
Google's Gemini evolves into an AI agent. Apple delays its foldable iPhone. Is Apple falling
Google really, really wants you to use Gemini, and the market incentives will probably push them towards making Gemini the choice they want you to,
But also, I do think Apple's opinion on this matter would change a lot more than Google's when you're talking about just a normal generative transformer versus something agentic that's monkeying around in your
We've
phone.
definitely taken bets on if iPhone Fold is coming out this year.
Yeah, but we got new information. So do you think that it will be announced and then come out later, in 2027, or do you think it will be announced and come out in 2026?
I would not be shocked at all if we got this big, fancy folding iPhone Ultra and they said coming early next year or coming
You think
in
they said that in
December.
September?
Maybe not early, maybe December or something like that. I could easily see it being a staggered release to build some hype.
That's a really How far away can it be to still be considered a staggered
A
release?
break from the AI panic? NASA just did something insane.
The rarest solar eclipse of all time. Nobody other than these four people have ever seen this perspective of a solar eclipse. The sun was behind the moon, and the side of the moon was being lit up by a reflection of the Earth's.
If you go to the NASA website, they've been uploading all of these basically in real time. I mean, with a slight delay at the speed of light. But they're really cool. If you download the original images, you can get all the metadata for it. And these are very good OLED wallpapers. And I don't think that they're going to be OLED, right as you download them. But if you take them into Photoshop and you lower the black point to 0, then they'll become OLED.
They'll look incredible.
So yeah, I'm definitely planning on using one of these as a wallpaper for sure.
Does anyone have any thoughts on the shot on iPhone photos that we got from ARTEMIS? I thought they were pretty cool.
I have some thoughts.
I thought they might end up as a billboard pretty quickly,
Yeah.
but also a missed opportunity from Samsung because Samsung gets
Well, I saw some
'cause of
funny
Galaxy.
memes where the moon was in the foreground and then the background was a moon. It said shot on iPhone. I mean, shot on Samsung.
Samsung, yeah.